AirPods Pro 3's conversation awareness automatically lowers the volume when you're speaking with someone. If it's not working, first ensure it's enabled. On your iPhone, go to Settings, Accessibility, Hearing, Conversation Awareness, and toggle it on. Next, calibrate the feature for optimal performance. Tap Calibrate and follow the prompts to speak sample phrases like hello or how are you in a quiet environment. This trains the system to recognize your voice, which reduces false activations. Note that this feature is exclusive to iOS devices. If conversation awareness still isn't working after enabling and calibrating, start with these troubleshooting steps. First, ensure your AirPods are fully charged. Then make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest iOS version and check that your AirPods firmware is up to date. Next, check for any Bluetooth interference that might affect the connection. As of iOS 18.3, released in June 2025, there's a Reset Conversation Awareness option that lets you recalibrate without a full AirPods reset. Be aware of the feature's limitations. Conversation awareness may not function properly in loud environments or with muffled speech. Also, confirm that it's not compatible with non-iOS devices. For persistent issues, consider resetting your AirPods. Place them in the case, open the lid, and hold the setup button until the light flashes white.